Hi everyone. In this week, I will give you the best information provided in the book Flow, the classic work on how to achieve happiness. A person was not fully human unless he or she learned to master his own thoughts and feelings. To achieve such mastery, it is obviously important to understand how our consciousness works. Consciousness is the result of biological process. The level of consciousness build up according to the instructions contained the protein molecules of our chromosomes. At the same time, we should also recognize that the way in which consciousness works is not entirely controlled by its biological programming. We can control our consciousness by diverting our attention. The author illustrated the consciousness by considering two examples. The first example about Elena. She is a European woman who is one of the best known and a powerful woman in her country. She is a scholar of a international reputation. She built up a thriving business that employs hundreds of people. She travels constantly to political business and professional meetings. She used to invest her energies consciously, which are benefited to her job, and completely avoids chatting and socializing whenever possible. Another worker is a Rico. He works in a car factory as a junior. The task he has to perform on each unit that passed is in front of his station should take 43 seconds. To perform the same exact operations almost 600 times in a working day. Most people would grow tired of such work very soon, but Rico has been at this job for over 5 years and he enjoys the job. The reason is that he approached his task in the same way as an Olympic athlete approached his event. How can I beat my record? Like the runner who trains for years to shave a few seconds off his best performance on the track. Rico has trained himself to give his best, and by using different shortcuts and moves, the best average time per unit is reduced to 28 seconds. Previously, it took 43 seconds. Now it is reduced to 28 seconds. By improving his performance, he earned bonus and respect of his supervisors. In both cases of Elena and Rico, the human energies are focusedly invested on work. In the first case, the Elena scattered her energies on many things wisely and achieved success and removed unwanted things from her day-to-day life. In the second example, Rico focused his energies on a single job and achieved success. So wisely choose yourself and lead a conscious life to get the maximum output from this life. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another chapter of the flow in the next week.